Upon completion of your anterior procedure, remove the anterior mouthpiece and discard it. Every single one of the Isolite mouthpieces are one-time use only. You need to remove the anterior adapter from the Isodry to also clean that. To clean the adapter, you need to separate the upper and lower portions of the adapter. And to do that, grab the bottom of the adapter and with your thumb, pull the tab open to give you access to the inside of the adapter. Once you've separated the two halves, take your double-ended cleaning brush and utilizing a pH-neutral cleaning solution, clean all the nooks and crannies to ensure that any debris or material that may have collected is completely gone. Once you've done that, take both portions, upper and lower half, and place it into the autoclave bag. Please refer to the Instructions for Use manual for information about the autoclave cycles to clean the adapter. Once the adapter has been cleaned and through the autoclave, to reuse it, it's a matter of reassembling it and placing it back onto the Isodry control head. Remove the two components from the autoclave bag. Then, take the bottom portion and the upper portion, align the tab at the top of the upper portion of the adapter, and once they're aligned, click them, and the unit will be reassembled. Now you can take the adapter and insert it onto the head of your Isodry, and there you go.